under each foot so that we can have the feet wide enough. Pushing elbows into knees, hands together, keep resisting. Bring the knees in. Good. So this is one way to do it. Another way is to work here. Okay, so it's really up to you which way you want to go with it. Get a little different angle both ways, so we can do a bit of both. I'm going to stick here now for a few minutes, or for a minute or two. Resisting, bringing elbows in. Resisting, bringing elbows in. Be with it for a pulse. Good. And maybe as you move, start to turn the nose towards the left armpit and then towards the right armpit. Just taking these micro movements as you go. And as you go here, maybe if it feels good in your body, turning the nose towards the right armpit and then towards the left. Always, you know, listening to those subtle cues of your body to take any little movements that feel good. Always deferring to those messages that you're getting from your body. Last one.